Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. I'm so happy to be with you today. Have you ever been asked a simple question like, "How was your day?" and found yourself completely stuck? You know you want to say, "It was good, I went to work, I had coffee, and I met a friend," but the words just don't come out right. You feel like you can't put the sentences together, or you get lost trying to remember the past tense of a verb. It's one of the most common frustrations for English learners. We have a lot of individual words and grammar rules in our heads, but when it's time to connect them and tell a simple story, it feels like a huge challenge. Telling a story about your day is a fundamental skill. It's how we connect with people, how we build friendships, and how we practice English in the most natural way possible. That's why, today, we're going to tackle this head-on with the storytelling challenge. Talk about your day in English. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to help you build the skills and the confidence to talk about your day from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear plan and the tools to start telling your own story. So, let's turn a simple question into a simple conversation. Part 1. The foundation. The simple. Past tense. The most important tool for telling a story about your day is the simple past tense. Your day happened in the past, so you need to be comfortable using past tense verbs. Don't worry, it's not as difficult as you think. Let's quickly review the two types of past tense verbs, regular and irregular. Regular verbs. These are easy. You just add ed to the end of the verb, do see walk, walk do start, started do finish, finish do listen, listen do work, worked. Irregular verbs. These are the ones you just need to remember. There's no rule, but many of them are very common. O go, wento have, hado eat, ateo do, dido see, sawo get. Got start by focusing on the verbs you use most often in your daily life. Make a small list and practice them. Once you feel comfortable with the past tense, you have the most important part of your story ready. Part 2. The structure, from morning to night. Now that you have the verbs, let's build the story. A simple chronological order is the easiest way to talk about your day. Think about your day in 3 parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. The morning routine. Start with the beginning of your day. I woke up at 7 a.m. or I got up at 7 a.m. I had a cup of coffee and a small breakfast. Then, I took a shower and got dressed. After that, I went to work, or I started my workday. See? Simple, clear, and in the past tense. Use words like then, after that, and next to connect your sentences and make the story flow smoothly. The afternoon and work. This is where you can add a bit more detail. In the afternoon, I had a meeting with my team. We talked about a new project. For lunch, I went to a small cafe and ate a sandwich. After lunch, I worked on my computer for a few hours. You can also talk about something interesting or unexpected that happened. A funny thing happened today. I saw a dog wearing a little hat. The meeting was very productive. We finished early. This is where you can start adding a little personality to your story. The evening and winding down. Finish your story with what you did in the evening. I finished work at 6 p.m. and went home. When I got home, I cooked dinner. After dinner, I watched a movie on Netflix. I talked to my family on the phone for a while. Finally, I read a book and went to bed. Remember, you don't have to list everything you did. Just choose a few key activities to share. Part 3. The vocabulary. Adding detail and feeling. To make your story more interesting, you can add a few simple words and phrases to describe how you felt or to give more detail. Adjectives for feelings. Oh, I was tired because I didn't sleep well. Oh, I was happy because the weather was beautiful. Oh, I was a little stressed because I had a lot of work to do. O, I was excited because I met a new friend. Time-related words, first, then, next, after that, finally, you. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, around noon, late in the day. Connecting phrases, because of. That, to show a cause and effect, So, I decided to show a decision. On the other hand, to show contrast. Don't try to use all of them at once. Just choose 1 or 2 new words to add each time you practice. The Storytelling Challenge, your action plan. Now it's your turn. Here is your challenge. Take 5 minutes to complete this simple plan. Step 1. The verb check. Think about your last 24 hours. List 5 things you did and write down the past tense of the verb. Go, went, have, had, eat, ate, work, worked. Watch, watched. Step 2. The 3-part story. Write down 1 or 2 sentences for the morning, afternoon, and evening of your day. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just get your ideas on paper. Step 3. Tell your story. Now say it out loud. You can talk to yourself in the mirror, record your voice on your phone, or share it with a friend. The key is to speak. Start with just a few sentences. The more you do this, the more comfortable you will become. You'll stop translating in your head and start speaking more naturally. Talking about your day is a simple, powerful tool that you can use every single day to improve your English. It's not about giving a perfect, detailed report. It's about communicating your experience and practicing your skills. This is real English. This is how you build fluency. Thank you so much for joining me today on Simple English Learning. I hope this episode gives you the confidence to start telling your own story. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep telling your stories.